So, what was the last thing we were doing before I suggested?
We were looking at Hyperfy, the wave animation.
Oh, the
Trapeze.
wave. Okay.
Yeah, it's called wave
You got
slash
it?
wave. Yeah, yeah, it's in, man. I've been dancing for a minute.
Is it a wave?
Yay!
Now we gotta sync it, so let me just try it again.
Alright.
So, okay, we gotta. Okay, you do it first, and then I'll do it.
Alright, get closer. I'm with. Okay. Yep, nice and close. Okay, slash wave. There we go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, snap. Oh, dude, yes, bro. I think I'm on the wrong side of you, though.
Yeah, I think. Okay, wait, let me try. First of all, let me do it to this guy. Oh, this is getting so confusing.
I know, bro. It does get a bit like, whoa.
Right, get ready, get ready.
Yep.
I must be on your right hand side. You do it. If you do it first.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh my god. Oh my god, how do I even coordinate over two screens?
Oh, let me pause.
Huh? This is so confusing. Okay, first you pause. I don't know which way you're facing.
I think it goes to my left. Yeah. Let me stand on your right. There we go. Now we're ready.
Oh my god. Oh, this is the one. Okay. There we go. Alright.
Slash
Gee,
wave.
that was confusing. Okay.
Oh!
That's actually.
Oh shit, I broke it. Fuck. I'm gonna wait. Forgot to press P.
Okay, wait. Wait. We gotta sync out.
Alright. Oh, so funny.
Why is one? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Island boy.
Slash wave. Oh, that's not slash. Slash wave. Bam. I'm running P. Escape P.
This
Now.
is too close. Wait, let me do that again.
Okay.
Our arms are way longer than it looks. They're like monkey models. Okay, go. Oh shit, I've got the wrong one. Okay, wait. Okay. Shit, no slash. Oh my god. Okay.
Alrighty. Waving. Oh, yes.
Okay, now. Oh my god. Oh, I walked with the wrong one.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
Why don't you have them side by side?
I've got to get used to which screen is which. My brain's getting confused.
Oh, yeah. Nah, that's cool, man. It is like.
Okay, can just restart it?
Alright.
Yeah, but we gotta get like roughly half a second from each other. That would look probably the best. So we gotta get the timing a bit closer as well. Yeah, okay, we're too close.
Wave. Okay. Ready.
Okay.
Whoa! That's good. Hmm. Bro,
Okay,
should I pay?
Okay. Because the walking around part helps a bit, like makes it better. Okay. So now I can record this shit.
We get a clip, bro. It's too funny.
I like that there's talking as well. You know?
Yeah.